Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can change your font on Freefrom app. So Freefrom app is an app available for iPhone users. So if you also have this app and you want to change your font on it, then follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So after you open the app, you want to open a project or go into your existing one. I will go to my existing one called Entitled, and over here I have written what us something random over here. So let's say I want to change its font. What I need to do is click on the text first and a box will appear. Once a box appears, at the bottom you can see the double A option. You want to click on the double A and it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you again want to choose the double A option over here, and then it's going to show you all the fonts available on your iPhone. So let's say I want to use this font called Papyrus or something, Papyrus, this one. I click on it, and as you guys can see, my font has changed. And after you have changed the font into something you like, you can just click on done and your font will be changed. That's how you guys can change your font on Freefrom app. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.